What's up? Uy, umaga. First time ko ata itong upload ng umaga, pare. Anyway, it's already 2. Medyo gusto ko sana mag-aaral na mag-maaga, pero pastay ako sa kwarto nang medyo na-extend yung stay ko sa kwarto. Anyway, ano bang pag-usapan natin ngayon? Pasensya, gulo ng buhok ko, hindi ako nakapag-conditioner. Anyway, I realized that yes, it's very important to study, which I am doing. It's very important to be dedicated, to be passionate about. Yeah, we pass the bar, shit, ganun. Pero realize ko, rest is just as important, pare. Bakit? Kasi kung di ako mag-rest ng maayos, eventually I will burn out. I will be burnt out. Tapos yun, hindi ako makakaaral ng maayos. So, sabi ko ngayon, kasi 4 hours na ang tulog ko. Tayo ng buko. Kasi 4 hours na ang tulog ko per day pag weekends. Sabi ko pag Saturday, Sunday talaga, pilitin kong maging 8 hours or at least kahit more than makabawi-bawi ng tulog. And baka rest din para din sa katawan ko. And also second thing that I will incorporate in my life from now on is that I will be exercising. Nag-basketball ako once a week. So I think hindi siya enough. Kasi 1 hour naman lang yan. So from tayo siguro daily, at least push up, squats, kung ano naman. Kasi health is very important. So rest. So di ako makaka-survive ng review kung hindi ako ayusin ang buhay ko. Hindi ko, I will not prioritize my health. So I should and I will prioritize my health. I will be taking care of myself now. And man lang. Bye bye. Mamba out. Peace.